Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here as we embark on an exciting journey of creativity and exploration in the world of woodworking. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, our goal is to inspire and empower you with ideas and techniques that can elevate your craft. In each video, we'll dive into a variety of woodworking projects, ranging from simple home decor items to more complex creations that challenge your skills and ignite your imagination. We believe that woodworking is not just a hobby. It's a way to connect with nature and express your creativity through the art of shaping wood into beautiful, functional pieces. As we delve into this fascinating craft, you'll discover tips and tricks that can help you work more efficiently, choose the right materials, and master essential techniques. We'll also showcase the stories behind each project, highlighting the inspiration and thought that goes into every piece. Our community is all about sharing knowledge and fostering a supportive environment where everyone can learn and grow together. So, whether you're here to find new project ideas, seek advice, or simply enjoy the beauty of woodworking, we invite you to engage with us, share your experiences, and join our vibrant community. Let's get started on this woodworking adventure together. We're so glad you joined us for this video, and we encourage you to stay with us until the very end for some valuable insights and tips that you won't want to miss. If you enjoyed the content and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel so you can stay updated on all our future projects and tutorials. Your support means everything to us. By liking and sharing this video, you help us reach a broader audience and foster a community of fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Every like and share not only boosts our visibility, but also encourages us to continue creating high-quality content that inspires and informs. Thank you for being part of our journey, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. Crafting woodworking projects for sale has become an increasingly popular pursuit for both hobbyists and professional woodworkers alike. The appeal lies not only in the satisfaction of transforming raw materials into beautiful, functional pieces, but also in the opportunity to share these creations with others. Home decor items made from wood can add warmth and character to any space, making them highly sought after in today's market. By focusing on easy-to-create projects, woodworkers can tap into a broad audience, providing unique and handmade items that stand out from mass-produced alternatives. The beauty of woodworking lies in its versatility. Wood can be shaped, stained, and finished in countless ways. This allows artisans to experiment with various techniques and styles, creating items that reflect their personal aesthetic while appealing to potential buyers. Simple projects can include decorative accents, wall art, or practical organizers, all of which can enhance a home's ambience. As consumers increasingly seek out authentic, handmade goods, the demand for such crafted items has risen, providing a lucrative avenue for woodworkers to explore. In addition to the artistic aspect of woodworking, there's also a practical dimension to consider. Many woodworkers find that creating pieces for sale encourages them to hone their skills and explore new techniques. This process not only improves their craftsmanship, but also fosters a greater appreciation for the material itself. By learning to work with different types of wood, finishes, and tools, woodworkers can elevate their projects, making them more appealing to potential buyers. Marketing is another key component of successfully selling woodworking projects. Establishing an online presence through social media platforms and e-commerce websites can significantly expand reach and visibility. Sharing the story behind each piece, including the inspiration and the craftsmanship involved, can resonate with customers and encourage them to make a purchase. Engaging with the community through local craft fairs or online forums can also help woodworkers connect with potential buyers and showcase their work. Pricing woodworking projects can be challenging, as it requires balancing the cost of materials, labor, and market trends. Woodworkers must consider not only the expenses involved in creating their items, but also the perceived value among consumers. Researching similar products and understanding the target market can help in setting competitive prices. Offering a range of items at various price points can also attract a wider audience, ensuring that there's something for everyone. Sustainability is an important consideration in today's marketplace, and many customers prefer products that are eco-friendly. Woodworkers can capitalize on this trend by sourcing reclaimed or sustainably harvested wood for their projects. This not only reduces their environmental impact, but also appeals to a conscientious consumer base. Highlighting the sustainable practices used in crafting projects can further enhance their appeal and create a strong selling point. As woodworkers embark on their journey to sell their creations, it's essential to focus on quality and attention to detail. Each piece should be crafted with care, ensuring that it meets high standards of craftsmanship. This commitment to quality can lead to positive reviews and repeat customers, which are crucial for building a successful business. Additionally, offering customization options can further enhance the appeal of woodworking projects, allowing customers to personalize items for their own homes. The creative process of designing woodworking projects can be both rewarding and inspiring. Woodworkers often draw inspiration from nature, architecture, and even cultural influences, resulting in unique designs that resonate with a diverse audience. Experimenting with different styles, such as rustic, modern, or minimalist, can help woodworkers find their niche and attract customers who appreciate their particular aesthetic. Networking with other artisans and participating in local craft communities can also provide valuable insights and support. Collaborating on projects or sharing techniques can lead to new ideas and innovations, helping woodworkers to grow their skills and expand their offerings. Building relationships within the woodworking community can also create opportunities for referrals and joint ventures, further enhancing visibility and sales potential. As woodworkers gain experience and confidence, they may find themselves exploring larger and more complex projects. While starting with simpler items is a great way to build a portfolio, taking on ambitious projects can lead to greater rewards. This evolution not only showcases the woodworker's growth, but also attracts a wider audience, including those looking for statement pieces for their homes. Maintaining a balance between creating art and running a business is crucial for success. Woodworkers must manage their time effectively, ensuring they can produce quality items while also handling marketing, sales, and customer service. Developing a schedule that allows for both creativity and business management can help ensure that woodworkers stay motivated and engaged in their craft. In conclusion, crafting woodworking projects for sale offers a fulfilling path for those passionate about woodworking and home decor. By focusing on easy-to-create items, embracing sustainability, and prioritizing quality, woodworkers can carve out a niche in the market. With the right marketing strategies and community engagement, they can share their beautiful creations with a wider audience, enriching homes with unique, handcrafted pieces. As this trend continues to grow, the opportunities for woodworkers are boundless, allowing them to turn their passion into a thriving business. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found the content informative and inspiring. Your engagement means a lot to us, and it's our goal to provide you with valuable insights and creative ideas that enhance your woodworking journey. If you enjoyed what you saw, we would love for you to subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects and tips in the future. Remember, your feedback is always welcome, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. We look forward to connecting with you again and continuing this journey of creativity and craftsmanship together.